I got a new clamp meter the other day by Tempo. It's the CMA 360B, and it's going to do everything that I need to troubleshoot the electrical of an irrigation system.
In the case, I got the clamp meter. Did come with some batteries. I got the instructions, you might need that. Little side pocket came with the leads. I like how hard plastic it is. It's very sturdy, very hard. It actually has got some weight to it, and so it makes me feel like this is very well built and is going to hold up well out in the field. Of course, you've got your clamp. You can do your milliamps there. The other thing I like about this is it's got this wheel, and it's what changes to your different settings. Very easy to change. These are all the settings I'm going to use when troubleshooting an irrigation system. It's got a little light to light up the screen. I really like that part too. It makes the screen easier to see, especially in low light conditions. Of course, you'll put your black, usually goes on your common. Red will go on your positive. I'm ready to go test.
If you're going to do a lot of irrigation troubleshooting, especially electrical troubleshooting, doing irrigation repair, having a good clamp meter or multimeter is something that you're going to want to have. Now, if you're doing 2-wire, you've got to have the ability to test milliamps, and you do that with your clamp. So something like this is perfect for 2-wire, and it's perfect for any irrigation system that's wired up in a conventional way. I'll leave links to this Tempo milliamp clamp meter, multimeter, in the description below. Check it out, and then watch this video right here.